Chapter 1. Food and Digestion.
Have you ever thought, why do we feel hungry? Our body makes us feel hungry and tells us that it needs food. Why does it need food? Our body works all the time. It works when we play, eat, walk, breathe, or run. Some parts of our body keep working even when we are asleep, like our heart. The heart beats all the time to pump blood. For doing all the work, our body needs a lot of energy. From where do we get this energy? We get this energy from the food we eat. Why we eat food? We eat food to get energy, to study, play and work, grow and keep ourselves fit and healthy. Nutrients. Food contains a variety of nutrients, the substances that are needed by our body for good health and growth are called nutrients. Nutrients present in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates. We get energy from carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. People doing heavy physical work like laborers, farmers, rickshaw pullers, and sportspersons need a carbohydrate-rich diet. Foods rich in carbohydrates are called energy-giving foods. Rice, wheat, potatoes, maize, banana, and honey are rich in carbohydrates. Proteins. Proteins help us grow. Growing children need a lot of proteins. Proteins also help to build muscles and repair the damaged tissues of the body. Foods rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Eggs, fish, meat and pulses are rich in proteins. Fats. Fats are the richest source of energy in our diet. They keep us warm. They give us more energy than carbohydrates. Foods rich in fats are also called energy-giving foods. Our body needs very little amount of fat. Excess fat is harmful to us because it makes us obese and causes many diseases. Butter, ghee, cooking oils and nuts are rich in fats. Vitamins. Vitamins help our body fight against diseases and keep us healthy. We need vitamins in small quantities. Foods rich in vitamins are called protective foods. Fruits, vegetables, milk, fish, meat, eggs, and sprouted grams are rich in vitamins. Minerals. Foods rich in minerals are also called protective foods. They keep us healthy and fit. They help our body to form bones, teeth and blood. Calcium, potassium, sodium, iron and iodine are some of the important minerals. Calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. Foods like milk, curd and paneer are rich in calcium. Iron helps in the formation of blood in our body. Green leafy vegetables, apples and carrots are rich in iron. In addition to these nutrients, our food must have roughage and water.
Roughage. Roughage are food items from plants that contain fibers. Most of the fruits, vegetables and seeds have fibers. We cannot digest roughage. It is an important part of our diet because it helps to throw out waste material from our body. Salads give us a lot of roughage. Water. 3/4 of our body weight is water. It helps the body to dissolve, digest and absorb the food. It helps in removing our body wastes.
We should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Balanced diet. The food we eat daily is called our diet. A diet that contains proper amount of all the nutrients, roughage and water needed for good health is called balanced diet. We should eat different types of food to get all nutrients. Digestion. The food that we eat does not give energy directly to our body. It gives energy after digestion. Digestion is a process by which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Let us understand what happens to the food in our body. Mouth. Teeth chew and grind the food. This food mixes with saliva, produced by the salivary glands. Saliva breaks the starch of food into simple sugars and also makes the food soft. Food pipe. Esophagus. Food passes through the food pipe to reach the stomach. Stomach. It is like a muscular bag in which food is churned and mixed with digestive juices. Digestive juices break down the food into simple and soluble form. Small intestine. It is like a long coiled tube that produces some digestive juices. The process of digestion completes here. The walls of small intestine have blood vessels that absorb the digested food and take it to all other body parts. Liver. Liver produces bile that helps to digest fat in small intestine. Pancreas. Pancreas produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins in small intestine. Large intestine. It holds the undigested food, absorbs extra water from it and forms feces, semi-solid wastes. Anus. Undigested semi-solid waste is passed out as stool through it. Junk food. Some food items like French fries, chips, cake and pizza are tasty but unhealthy for us. They are called junk foods. They contain a lot of fat and sugar, so we should avoid junk foods. Chips, pizza, junk foods. Good eating habits for proper digestion. Always take your meals in a pleasant environment. Chew the food well before swallowing. Eat a balanced diet. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Eat at regular intervals. Eat a lot of green vegetables and fruits. Eat fresh and clean food. Avoid overeating. Cooking food. Other than fruits and some vegetables, most of the food items are cooked before eating. Food can be cooked by boiling, frying, roasting, baking or steaming. We cook food because it makes the food more tasty, makes the food soft and easy to digest, kills germs present in the food. Food preservation. All food items get spoiled at room temperature after some time. Such spoiled food items produce foul smell and are not good for our health. So, for long use, we preserve the food items. The process by which we can prevent the food items from getting spoiled for a long time is known as food preservation. Ways of food preservation. Refrigeration and deep freezing. Refrigerator cools down the food to a very low temperature and deep freezer freezes the food. Both cooling and freezing preserve the food by slowing down the growth of microbes. Refrigeration preserves food for a shorter time as compared to deep freezing. Bottling and canning. Food is sealed in bottles and cans after killing germs. This does not allow the growth of microbes for a long time, till the cans or bottles are opened. Drying. Food is dried by removing all water content from it. This prevents the food from spoiling. Pickling and jellying. Salt and oil in pickles and sugar in jams and jellies act as preservatives. They prevent the growth of microbes for a long time.